In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to set up asset locations in Google Ads. First, log into your Google Ads account. Next, navigate to the left sidebar and make sure the Tools option is selected. Then in the Tools setting, click and expand the Shared Library option. Then from the drop-down, click on the Location Manager. In the Location Manager setting, you'll find 3 tabs. Select the Location Groups tab. You'll see all your location groups under there. Now, to create a new location group, click on the plus icon or on the Create Location Assets option. Then, in the new window, enter the details for your location group. Give your location group a name. Then, select a location from the suggestions and click Save. Now, you can see that your location group appears under the Location Groups tab in the Location Manager. After that, go to the Campaign, Assets, and under the Associations tab, click on the Location button. Then click the plus icon. In the Add Location window, select what you want to add the location to, your Google Ads account, campaign, or ad group. Then select the campaign you want to add the location asset to. Select the location source as Location Group. Then select the location group we just created and click Save. Now you can see that our location asset appears in the assets. That's how you set up asset locations in Google Ads. Thanks for watching.